Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to GEM, where we explore ways to live our best lives. Today, we're diving into something absolutely essential: self-care. Not just the Instagram-worthy bubble baths, but real, meaningful practices that nourish your mind, body, and soul. You know that feeling when life gets overwhelming? When your to-do list seems endless and you're running on empty? Well, that's exactly why we need to talk about self-care. It's not selfish, it's necessary. Think of it like charging your phone. You wouldn't expect your phone to run forever without power, right? So why do we expect that from ourselves? Let's break down 4 pillars of effective self-care that actually work. I'll share not just what they are, but how to actually implement them in your busy life. First up, physical self-care. Listen to your body. It's constantly communicating with you. Start your day with a gentle stretch. Take those deep breaths that reach all the way down to your belly. Move your body in ways that feel good, whether that's dancing in your kitchen or taking a peaceful walk in nature. Remember, exercise doesn't always mean intense workouts. It's about celebrating what your body can do. Second, mental self-care. Your mind needs regular maintenance too. Create boundaries with social media. Maybe start with a no-phone first hour of your day. Practice mindfulness, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Write down your thoughts, dreams, or worries in a journal. Let it all flow onto the paper without judgment. Third, emotional self-care. This one's crucial, friends. Allow yourself to feel your emotions, all of them. Connect with people who lift you up. Learn to say no when you need to without feeling guilty. And here's something we often forget. It's okay to ask for help. Whether it's from a friend, family member, or professional, reaching out is a sign of strength, not weakness. Fourth, spiritual self-care. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean religion, though it can if that's your path. Spiritual self-care is about connecting with something bigger than yourself. Spend time in nature. Practice gratitude. Find moments of silence in your day where you can just be. Here's what I want you to remember. Self-care looks different for everyone. What works for me might not work for you, and that's perfectly okay. The key is consistency, not perfection. Start small, maybe with just 5 minutes a day. Build from there. Let me share a practical tip that's been a game changer for my self-care routine. Schedule it. Yes, actually block out time in your calendar for self-care activities. Treat these appointments with yourself as seriously as you would any other commitment. Whether it's a 20-minute meditation session, a weekly catch-up with a friend, or your favorite yoga class, put it in your calendar. Try this. At the end of each day, ask yourself, what did I do today to take care of myself? If you can't think of anything, that's your sign to plan something nurturing for tomorrow. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Taking care of yourself isn't luxury. It's essential maintenance for living your best life. You deserve that care, that attention, that love from yourself. And remember, self-care isn't just about managing stress. It's about preventing it too. Don't wait until you're overwhelmed to start taking care of yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our growing GEM family. Share this with someone who might need this reminder today. Drop a comment below and let me know. What's your favorite way to practice self-care? Until next time, beautiful souls, remember, you're worth taking care of.